Every single workshop here is hands on. Every tool, every config, all the concepts ties directly into how work is done in a production environment. And every student walks away with the capstone project. Every student is going to walk away interview ready with talking points. Every student is going to walk away with a resume that they can send out the same day. Every single student. All of these workshops are going to be utilizing the cloud, every single last one of them. Our cloud service provider of choice is AWS. So we highly, 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 highly recommend that you already have your AWS account set up. If you don't worry. We'll go through it during the first day of class, but it is going to help you if you already have it set up so we can hit the ground running. We want to have fun from the minute you enter into class. If you're serious, if you are serious about building skills that matter and doing it in a format that respects your time, it respects your finances, and actually prepares you for the field, then check out this lineup and see which workshop fits where you are right now and where you want to go in your career.